The Honorable Swart.
Thank you, House Chair. House Chair, the ACDP welcomes this debate commemorating 100 years of women being admitted into the legal profession. And we too honor those brave women who pioneered admission, as pointed out by earlier speakers, resulting in the Women Legal Practitioners Act of 1923. And although the percentage of female legal practitioners has increased dramatically compared to pre-1994 numbers, many, sadly, still do not have the same access to opportunities as their male counterparts. It is disgraceful that female law professionals should be regarded in any way as less competent or not suited for certain types of law, purely on account of their gender. And in addition, women of color often face the additional discrimination by virtue of their race, this alongside that of their gender. This is wrong. It is regrettable also that following many years of discrimination, female advocates are not receiving sufficient briefs from attorneys. In addition, female legal practitioners have stated that they face sexual harassment in the workplace. The Constitutional Court has made it very clear that sexual harassment is the most heinous misconduct that plagues the workplace. And although prohibited under labor laws of the country, the court said it persists. Not only is it demeaning to the victim, but it undermines their dignity, integrity, self-worth, striking at the very root of a person's being. The ACDP agrees and welcomes the Legal Practice Council's sexual harassment policy. We trust, however, that it is being properly implemented. Sadly and understandably, complainants often want to remain anonymous, which makes it difficult to investigate these matters. We call on all in the legal fraternity, and indeed in all sectors of society, to stand against sexual harassment in the workplace. It must not be tolerated. There are many notable achievements of women in the judiciary, such as the appointments of Justice Molamela as President of the Supreme Court of Appeal and Deputy Chief Justice Meyer at the Constitutional Court. Justice Meyer says the presence of women in the judiciary elsewhere profoundly impacts the imperatives of a diverse society. Their participation creates a public decision-making entity that is aware of and sensitive to different positions, experiences, and needs of many individuals representing various socioeconomic backgrounds in our communities. The contribution of women jurists make to the country's jurisprudence is distinctive and unquestionably exceptional. The ACDP agrees. Thus, while we can commemorate 100 years of admission of women into the legal profession, much still needs to be done to remove those many barriers that still exist in preventing women from fulfilling their full potential. I thank you.